Minister of Tribal and Hills, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Letpao Haokip has sent out a rebuttal clarifying that he has dissociated with the ongoing conflict and he has no role in the drone bombing as claimed by a Delhi-based organization. He sent out the rebuttal in response to the recent announcement of 1 lakh reward in his name by a Delhi-based organization with a warning to surrender within 10 days. It may be mentioned that the organization accused Letpao Haokip of masterminding the recent drone bombing at Kauchuk in Imphal West District. Letpao Haokip termed the allegation as unfortunate and mentioned that the security forces and other agencies has already started investigating the incident. In a statement, the minister maintained that he has always stood against violence as violence cannot be the solution to the problem, and stood for an unbiased understanding of the issue and logical and mature dealing with the matter, as it is the key for lasting peace in the region. He further claimed that he is not connected to any violence throughout the 14 months of unrest and affirmed that he will not surrender.